Crypto Bro here with the Crypto Bro Show. Welcome back, my friends, to another hot video. Today is Monday, March the 10th, and in today's short, quick video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, but more specifically, just how anonymous is Bitcoin, all right, guys? But before we dive in too deep, I do have to hit you guys with this nice little legal disclaimer. Guys, remember this channel is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content, and you should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, guys, this is not financial advice. So, guys, a few of you guys may be new, and a few of you guys may be wondering, is Bitcoin anonymous? And, guys, you can go to Bing or Google and just type in, is Bitcoin anonymous? And it's going to tell you right away, guys, Bitcoin is not anonymous, but it's rather like pseudonymous. So, while personal identities are masked, transaction details and addresses may still be traceable. So for some of you guys, this is not a big deal because a lot of you guys transact with Bitcoin and you just buy it, you hold it, you don't do anything you don't do anything, too shady with it, right? But for some of you guys that are in third world countries or some of these countries around the world, your government may be banning Bitcoin. They may be tracking your transactions. They may even put you on a list if you're a Bitcoin user. So they may be looking at you sideways, right? You know what I'm saying? So you may be wondering, how can you keep yourself safe from governments, law enforcement, hackers, scammers, exchanges, and banks from knowing all your details? And at the end of the day, guys, there's only one way that you can truly do that, and it's by using a good VPN, a true, solid VPN that does not keep logs. So that's why I'd recommend the sponsor of today's video. It's going to be private internet access, guys. All right, and I will have a link in the YouTube description below. It's going to be PIA.com. It's going to be over here, guys, PIAVPN.com/CryptoBro. And it's going to take you to this screen over here, guys. And if you use this link, you will get 4 months free, guys. All right, as you can see, get 4 months free. You will be supporting the channel. It is an affiliate link, so they're going to give me $1 or $2. But at the end of the day, guys, you're going to be keeping your identity safe with some unbreakable VPN security access for all of your devices, guys. One subscription protects an unlimited amount of devices at no extra cost. Now, guys, there's a lot of good VPNs out there, but some VPNs, they limit you to like 5 or 10 devices. With one subscription, all right, guys, you can use as many devices as you want. There are zero restrictions. You guys can stream in over like 90 countries. So, guys, you may be wondering, why should you choose PIA VPN? Well, because Crypto Bro recommends it is number one. Number two, they have a strict no logs policy. And I know some of you guys may have heard that before, right? Some of you guys may be like, bro, Crypto Bro, I've heard about this VPN saying they don't log. And next thing you know, the guy's in court and he's getting wrecked in court because they did log. So guys, do your own research. But the research that I've seen on PIA VPN suggests that they truly, in fact, do not log, guys, right? So there's this article over here. Came out a while back on Torrent Freak. Basically said VPN providers no logging claims tested in FBI case. You guys can go down right here. You guys can read the article. You guys can see the company was subpoenaed by the feds. All right. After scrutinizing the validity of the subpoena and confirming it, we restated, as we always do, the content of our privacy policy, and then we notified the agent that we do not log any user activity. The agent confirmed his understanding of our company's policy and position, and then pursued alternative leads. This report makes it clear that PIA does not log user activity, guys. And why is this important? Well, guys, just like I was saying earlier, a lot of you guys may be wondering, how exactly does a Bitcoin or a crypto transaction get linked to your IP address, device, or location? A lot of you guys may not understand this. This has been asked before on Reddit. So basically, guys, this guy summed it up over here. Let's see. Let's go to the full discussion over here. So, yeah, this guy mentioned it over here about 6 years ago, guys. Let me give him a thumbs up. All right, I don't think my thumbs up is working. But, all right, guys, check this out. So, basically, he said when you broadcast a transaction, all right, it's coming from your computer when you broadcast it, right? You're pressing send or you're receiving, right? Your IP is visible to your peers and intel agencies that wiretap everything, guys, right? We're talking the feds here, man, the FBI, the CIA, all these guys, right? So some of your peers may report your IP to, or more likely be run directly by, blockchain intelligence / tracking companies. So they know you are the origin simply because they haven't seen it from anyone else yet. Also, all the Bitcoin websites are behind Cloudflare, which probably allows intel agencies to track all withdrawals from exchanges and payments to websites that accept Bitcoin via BitPay or a similar intermediary. This next user said, I know this may be a lot of jargon for some of you guys, less technical, but this next user said, I assume VPNs would fix this. Another user, yes, but only if you trust your VPN provider not to log your traffic. So at the end of the day, you got to have a VPN provider and you got to trust that they're not going to log, guys. And that's why I recommend PIA VPN. That's why I sponsored up with them, guys. I use them. I use that VPN on a daily basis, guys. They have a great interface. You guys can go over here. You can click on protocols. You can adjust the protocol you want. You can adjust your privacy settings. You can have a split tunnel, which right now all my traffic is going through the VPN. But let's say I wanted to make Microsoft Edge bypass the VPN. I could click split tunnel, and then Microsoft Edge would be bypassing the VPN. So guys, there's a lot of cool, powerful features. Very, very easy, very simple to use. And when you're surfing online, guys, if you're not surfing with a VPN, your IP address will be exposed. So right here, guys, this right here is not my IP address, but rather the IP address of the VPN. So when I'm on these websites, the website may think I'm in Columbus, Ohio, but really I'm elsewhere in the world. And that's protecting me, guys. As you guys can see, it says I'm in Columbus. Some of you guys know I'm not in Columbus, guys. So at the end of the day, guys, if you guys want to be safe with Bitcoin, if you guys want to stay safe from the government, all these financial institutions, knowing exactly who you are, what you're doing, and some of you guys may be in certain countries where it's just not even legal to transact with Bitcoin. And if you ask me, that's messed up. And you guys got to fight back, man. You guys got to fight back. You guys got to get a VPN. Stay anonymous. Do your own research. But at the end of the day, guys, a VPN, a good solid one like PIA VPN, they don't keep logs. They're affordable. These guys will keep you safe, guys. So at the end of the day, if you guys want to be truly, truly anonymous with Bitcoin, if you don't want anybody to know who you are, where you're sending and receiving from, get a VPN, and then you could hop on some of these decentralized crypto exchanges, or you can buy Bitcoin at a Bitcoin ATM. There's peer-to-peer stuff you can do. There's so many things you can do to kind of mask your identity with Bitcoin, but you definitely, most definitely have to have a good VPN, guys. So once again, guys, I would trust PIA VPN. I've been using them for the past 7 years, guys. All right, they have really, really good deals. You guys can click here. You guys are going to get 83% off. They take credit cards. They take PayPal. Pretty sure they take Bitcoin as well, guys. So, guys, do your own research. But at the end of the day, stay safe out there. Crypto Bro signing out.